Hey everyone, welcome back. So, right here is my first model train stuff order for 2018. So, what we got here is I got the new release from Athearn Roundhouse, which was just released before New Year's. It's their new AC4400s, but Norfolk Southern classifies these as AC4400CWs. And there are other schemes available, such as they got BNSF, CSX and the YN2. That other railroad which is some kind of mining iron ore railroad that operates in Canada. I don't know a lot about this railroad. They have that scheme, KCS, and especially the DC, Norfolk Southern DC to AC conversion schemes. And they got Southern Pacific and Southern Pacific, which the Union Pacifics, which are patched Southern Pacific units. So I got NS4001 here. So I could not resist myself getting this, so I got this. Looks real nice. My second order is Bachmann Silver Series. It's a 100-ton hopper, coal hopper. Looks real nice. And we also got these Athearn Genesis PTC antennas for GE locomotives. I'm thinking about putting this on 4001. So yeah. So I'll do a review on this NS-DC to AC conversion unit. We'll do a review on this one in a separate video, so these will be, I'll just set these aside. So yeah, let's do an unboxing. So the unboxing is pretty simple. As you can see, it's got these little stickers right here, so all you gotta do is just cut them open like this. Hang on. Both ends. And then it slides off like this. Then you carefully pull it out like this. And it's got, as you know, it's got the manual and stuff. So I'll set the box aside. So it's you slide it out like this. Slide it out. And open this up right here. So, and there you go. The engine's out of the box. So we just slide that here. And here's the locomotive itself. Alright, so now that we got the locomotive out of the box, let's go over some of the details. You got these steps. It's got some grab irons, but there's no windshield wipers installed. And the plow, I think, is correct to the prototype. So, as you know, the headlight right here is not in the correct location, but it's no big deal for me, because the headlights are supposed to be right here compared to the prototype. And I also noticed the handrails, the nose handrails, are incorrect compared to the prototype, because it's got the BNSF and UP style handrails. So here's what it looks like. As you can see, those are the correct handrails for this NS locomotive. So, and the cab windows, it's like a 3-window cab. It's supposed to be a 4-window. So that is another feature that's incorrect. But I also really love the fact that it says AC4400CW instead of AC4400CW. The fantasy heritage schemes on the AC4400s, they say AC4400 on them. But after all, this engine is actually really nice. Here, just run it. It runs real nice. Back detail looks absolutely outstanding. I'll show you. Back details look really nice. Now we'll show you the top and roof. It's got a really nice horn, but although the prototype is a 5-chime Nathan P5, which I think has the best sounding P5 horn. It's real nice. So, and then we'll turn it around. Done. Now this, on the conductor side, I really love this AC box right here. It looks real nice. Everything, the fuel tank's really nicely detailed. It's got the bell. Everything looks really nice on this locomotive. And after all, although this locomotive is not really prototypical compared to the prototype, because you know the headlight mounted at the wrong location, the cab windows are not right, and it's got the 3-chime horn instead of a 5-chime. It's still a great locomotive, and I am aware that the 4001, the real 4001, got involved in a wreck on a coal train in Pennsylvania, and right now it's currently in Altoona for repairs, so it is not known when they will repair 4001, because they're currently repairing 1036, which is the SD70 Ace. So we hope to see that 4001 is able to run again, and still keeping this scheme, because I really like this paint scheme so much. So that's all for this review of this NS AC4400C6M by Athearn Roundhouse. So hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.